I love exploring books in music, and I love being able to create sounds that accompany those stories. So for class today, I thought we could explore a really fun book called Tap Tap Boom Boom. And this is a book written by Elizabeth Blumel, and it's illustrated by G. Brian Karras. And I love this story, especially for this time of year when we're having all these crazy storms and wind and rain. And we have some more coming in the forecast. I thought this would be a really fun book to explore together. So what you'll need for this activity, my friends, is you are going to need your rhythm sticks, something to click that beat with. You are going to need your shakers. And you're going to need some kind of a drum if you would like. You can always use your body or your hands or your head or the floor. A book works great. Or you could maybe think of something like I have. I'm going to be using a nice big Tupperware from the kitchen. And you can either use your rhythm sticks. I happen to have some mallets, so I'm going to use that. But you can always use your rhythm sticks or your hands to drum on your Tupperware. Okay, so take a moment to get those things so that we can make some sound effects to tap, tap, boom, boom. I'll give you a little clue. As we start reading the story, whenever you hear tap, tap, I want you to see if you can tap, tap with your rhythm sticks. Every time you hear boom, boom, I want you to make a big boom sound, whether that's still with your rhythm sticks or whether that's with your hands, or if you want to use your drum. Boom, boom, your choice. So have some fun with me. There will be times where we just talk about the rain. You can either follow along with my sounds or see if there's times where you can add in your rain shakers or your egg shakers. I'm calling them rain shakers for this story. All right, have those things with you. Get ready to make some sound effects while I read Tap Tap Boom Boom. Okay, friends, here we go. Tap, tap, dark clouds. Tap, tap, damp air. Tap, tap, cold drops of rain dot hair. Street carts appear. Umbrellas here. Tap, tap, boom, boom. Tap, 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 tap. Boom, boom. Crackle, boom. Got a storm, big storm in bloom. Here soon. Sky grumbles. Rain tumbles. Big weather. You'd better get under your umbrella. Boom, boom. That's right. Salam, bang. Hold on tight to your umbrella. The wind whirls. Whoosh. Helter skelter. Boom, boom. Tap, 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 tap. Slap feet, shoes flap. Feet wetter, you'd better go down underground where the water can't get ya. You betcha. Now harder, faster, big rain side blaster. The subway is shelter. Boom, boom. Downstairs we wait. Folks congregate. We squeeze. Whose feet and knees are these? Hey, hey, watch spray! We get more wet. Tap, 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 tap. Boom, boom. See? Big, big fellow with tiny umbrella. Umbrella, it's yellow. Tap, tap. Boom, boom. One girl all fancy. She's late for dancing. Can't wait. Fast dash after the lightning flash. The storm above makes friends of strangers. We laugh under cover at thunder and danger. Tall lady with poodle sees kid, no umbrella. Hands hers, no words, just a smile as her hello. Two friends descend, huddled close from the weather. Wet sides, smiles wide. Together is better. Storm ending soon. No tap, no boom. Outside, clear light, bright afternoon. We race upstairs and we shake the drops off our hair. Look up, we cry. Surprise in the sky. Now people scatter, through puddles splatter. We wave goodbye. So long, keep dry. Till the next. Tap, 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 tap. Boom, boom. Till the next. Tap, tap. Boom, boom. I hope you enjoyed that story and had some fun making some sound effects with me.